Within the admin, websites, global designer settings, global font management, we can add and turn off fonts for specific decoration processes that are then used on the design tool by your staff or your customers. So again, I'm in here in global designer settings, global font management. I can choose between printing fonts and embroidery fonts. And what I want to do is click on Manage Available Fonts, which will then allow me to turn on or off a font for printing and even set which one is the default for each of our decoration processes. For our printing fonts, we can upload a custom font to be used using a TTF file. For embroidery fonts, you cannot add additional fonts, but there's a good chance you don't need to, as there's many Wilcom fonts already available that come out so ready as a DST file. It is more common that you will come into the embroidery font section and turn off fonts that you're less wanting to sew, because it can be kind of difficult and your customer doesn't need every option under the sun. It can make their life a little bit difficult when making a selection. You can also restrict the fonts to be used with team names. So this is a good feature. Sometimes the team names are cut with vinyl and you want easy to cut vector fonts. Every font in here will output a vector for printing, but that doesn't mean it's still fun to cut and weed. I mean, I know that's kind of going away, cutting vinyl, but these team names will also, again, make it easier for your customer to make a decision when they're creating that pre-decorated product and they want to use the team name tool. Keep in mind too that you can even make it so that your individual sites can manage their own fonts. This is not typical, but it is possible to say, hey, all fonts are available on this site, but then this other site can only use these specific fonts. So again, I'll click on Manage Available Fonts, and I'll allow the store to control it and even upload their own fonts. Not very common, but if you do save these settings, what you're then going to do is open a door within an affiliate site to manage their own fonts. So after saving this, we can then go into an individual site. Within the web designer settings, we now have opened this font management door, and the affiliate can do pretty much everything we were just doing there from a global level. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.